Hi, I'm Jeanette Stagg and I'm a hairstylist with Katie Mobile Studio. Being that I'm in the beauty industry, my smile has always been very important to me. I grew up having braces, but I felt like I wanted something just to kind of make it that much more perfect to me. And that was really the reason I wanted to go with veneers. I felt that Fort Bend Dental was very personable. Dr. Kevin Baetghe was very calming. They're not there to critique or judge on how you look or how you may feel. They're really there to make you feel special and beautiful. And that's when I knew that they were going to be the right fit for me to go to for this.
Jeanette first came to us. She had an emergency. One of her teeth was hurting. She is in the beauty industry, so appearance is a big deal to her. It was a quick and easy decision for me that we needed to replace those old fillings, cover the front surface with veneers, and create that beautiful natural smile for her that she'd be proud of.
Whenever I would look back at photos, I could see the imperfection in my teeth where they had shifted a little throughout the years. This was something that was a little self-conscious for me. So once I realized I wanted to go through with it, that got me that much more excited to want to be around people in the beauty industry and to show my smile off.
One of the things that I loved about working with Jeanette was her reaction once we got the final veneers in. You could just see on her face how it just lit up. The process was easy. We were able to get her in, put temporaries on for just 2 weeks before the final ones were made by our in-house ceramist. What Jeanette wanted was a brighter smile, and that's what veneers allowed us to do, to give her that white, bright smile that she was looking for.
I wanted them to look as natural as possible, which I felt he really did a phenomenal job with that. Whenever I saw the transformation before and after, that was when it really hit me, like that it was truly a smile makeover. And everything now, it's just as if they were my regular teeth. I'm having to do a lot of social media. I'm on set for videos and photos a lot, so this has definitely helped me feel a lot more comfortable and confident behind the scenes as well as in front of the camera.